Uber, 4 minutes, $27 from Miami Airport to Hilton, Miami. 4 minutes, not bad. Cab was starting at 25 from the airport. We're gonna make sure the air work and we got space.
Latest lift in Miami, we got it.
Got my mouth looking something like a yellow Lamborghini.
Hilton lobby. And all the restaurant bars. Cute decor, dope decor. Very nice staff checking us in. It was so quick. Reservation was made. That took very fast. Less hectic check-in time of day, of course, because we're here at 7 in the evening. Child, now we gotta, I'm like, child. I'm gonna tell you later. Iron board, that's the closet. Launder bags, should you need them. Very nice mirror. We love a good mirror. And 2 double beds, plenty of lighting, television. There's a fridge. Goodies there too. Plenty of drawers. We're only staying one night. A desk if you need to get some work done. Nice lounge chair. Side table. Very nice. Definitely serves the purpose. Port shuttle available at $8 per person. No, I just needed to. This is the bathroom. Shower. Very nice. There is a dryer if needed. That's a little things and next. Of course, we use that as Did you enjoy the room tour? It was real quick, but it's a small room. We are only here for one night. Our cruise leaves tomorrow on Virgin Voyages, and they do have shuttles available that you can book with the concierge for $8 per person if you want to do that. It is a shared shuttle, so if you don't want to do that, you can easily get you a Lyft or Uber or etc., whatever the case may be, right? So from here to the airport, our Lyft was only $27 for a Lyft Black coolest guy ever. How would I look up on the coolest Uber driver / Lyft? Because he a Lyft driver. Because I just got God's favor. Ooh. He was lit. S500, clean, good music, good vibes, and what a way to start a trip. Okay, flights were great. Southwest, none delayed. We ready to just enjoy vacation. Not doing too much. I'll show you guys the restaurants because we headed downstairs. Ready to try this. Pickles. You know where the pickles come from?
It's cucumber pickles. But they're really good, but it's spicy.
I think you need the pickles with a shot. The pickle is so sour. I don't know why it's with the rib. Let me taste the rib with a pickle.
With the pickle?
The rib is good. With a pickle, oh, I get the balance. The ribs good. No, y'all gotta order the ribs. Let me tell you about the chicken. Cause I ain't really been on chicken. Your girl confused about where they get the chicken from.
How's everything?
Thank you, it's really good. Appreciate it. Okay, let's try the chicken.
Finish that, right?
Yes. Okay, I'm almost.
Just to make sure. Do not take it away.
Right. It looked like real chicken. I'm gonna try it. The sauce is good, but it's not hot. But it's good. It tastes like old school chicken, so I don't think it's manufactured or whatever they doing with the chicken. Oh, Lord, I don't want to think about it. I'll be back, y'all. Down from the pool, we have this nice little lounge area to relax in and have your brunch if you'd like to, but we're at the hot. Nice pool area. So cute. Very nice.
Don't work too hard, my break a backbone. Return of the Mac, the king is back though. Corvette and cash, I never lack those.